All right, truck video. So I got the Uniden R7 radar and laser detector mounted in the truck up by the mirror. I don't know if you can see that or not. So let's take a look real quick. I'm going to try to make this a stupid short video, but there it is. I've been driving on the highway and around town. Works really, really good. Nice radar detector. I got a suction mount. And the wire is one of those telephone, let me hop in here, telephone connection types, right? And I bought a cable kit that you can splice in the power source to the mirror here. And I didn't want to do that because I thought, well, I already have one for the dash cam over here because it only turns on, so I thought, when you turn the car on, or the truck on, right here. You push that button, that thing comes on. But this actually has an auto power on and off sensor type thing. And the power source that I have runs right down here. I hope I don't get this too jittery here. The power source is behind this here fuse box. Let me pop this open here without breaking tabs and stuff. There we go. All right, so I just piggybacked fuse right there. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? Use my fancy dancy Wago connectors for 12 volt power and then ground right there. But that's hot. That's always hot. Even, you turn the truck on, it's still hot. Turn it off, it's still hot. So on that idea, so I'm going to come up with plan B to figure it out so I don't have to plug it in and every time I want to have the radar detector on, or not. I don't know. But thankfully I've got a kit that works with tapping into wire harnesses by removing this cover plate right here. And when you turn the truck on, it applies power to the mirror stuff. So I got to figure out how to get all this apart. So I don't have to, see, I got it unplugged right now. See that right there? But let me plug it in, I'll show you what it does. Maybe.
X-band, K-band, Ka-band, laser, GPS connected.
Pretty far out. It definitely freaking works, I guarantee you that. Oh, there we go. So I unplug it when I'm not using it for now. But thankfully, the adapter power cord thing came with 3 different type of wire tap plug-in dealies. So it's short enough where you just kind of loop it right in there. So I'll have to figure that noise out. But there you have it. Oh. But for now, it works. And I don't have the included Uniden thing here, which is actually kind of cool. It has a mute button on there and into USB. And you plug it into the 12 volt power socket. But I didn't want a wire hanging down from up there. And I know they make mounts for underneath the mirror, so you don't have to use that suction cup. But I tell you, I don't like that. I mean, it's the forward visibility out of this truck isn't really that great anyway. I mean, they're making windows smaller and, more safer and all that. So I didn't want it hanging below the mirror there. So there you have it. There's my dilemma. So we'll figure this out. But for now, it works. Everything's really good with the truck. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.